this question we are given that the value of x is equal to 2 times t and the value of y is equal to t by 3. Now we have to find the value of x squared minus y squared. Now there are two main takeaways from this question which you will understand as we solve. So now x squared minus y squared can be written as 2t whole squared minus t by 3 whole squared. This gives us the expression 4t squared minus t squared by 9. Now it's very essential to simplify any equation, and you will later understand why it is so, and it helps us to avoid small mistakes which makes us mark the wrong answer. So we now move on to step 2 and first analyze the statement 1. Now in statement 1 we are given that t squared minus 3 is equal to 6. This gives us t squared is equal to 9. Now the value of t can be either 3 or it can be minus 3 as well. Now this is the first trap that you may fall. If you do not simplify this expression and get it into this form, what may happen is that you can see that you get two values, and then you may substitute the values in the value of x and y and think that you are getting multiple answers, so statement 1 is insufficient. But remember, the question asks us for the value of x squared minus y squared, which we had simplified, and the simplified expression was 4t squared minus t squared by 9. So we are not concerned with the value of t, we just need the value of t square. And it is clear that if we substitute the value of t square as 9 in the simplified expression that we got in step 1, we can easily get an answer. So this is one of the mistakes that you can avoid by writing down all the information that the question gives and simplifying the given expression. And from this we can conclude that statement 1 is sufficient. And from the given options we can eliminate options B, C and E. We now move on to check the sufficiency of statement 2. In statement 2 we have that the value of t cube is equal to minus 27. Now this is possible when the value of t is equal to minus 3. From this we can get the value of t squared, which will be 9. And when we substitute this value in the expression 4t squared minus t squared by 9, we do get a value. So we can conclude that statement 2 is also sufficient, and hence the correct answer is option D.